In this final video on this series on the web pages section, we're going to go over the personal web pages and then briefly touch on the sign up page. The personal web pages, if you remember, were one of the core elements that you could select to include on your site. And if you have not selected to include them, you can feel free to skip this video, except you may want to save for the end for the sign up page. Otherwise, this will be of interest to you because this is going to show you what the personal web pages are. So here's some samples on what they look like. This is what a wall appears like, an about page, a contact page, a gallery, and the calendar. You can choose to use any of these or all of them if you'd like here on the page components page. The navigation model lets you select which navigation coloration, if you will, you'd like to use for people to access the personal web pages. You can either have it in color or black and white. Once you've made your selection, just click the green button here to confirm. In the About section, you can set up the About page if you have selected it. This is as simple as writing a label here, text here, loading an image if you'd like, and then it'll appear over here. You can do multiple sections if you'd like, and you can remove them by selecting them on the left here, and then clicking the Remove button. Setting up the gallery is fairly simple as well. You just create a label here to create a category of images, if you will, and then you load photos from your computer and they'll appear here. Select the image, select the label, and then you assign the image to the gallery. And then once you've done that, you can edit any gallery that you've created here. You'll see the list of images on the right. You can remove them individually if you want. And the contact page, if you selected it, this is where you can include the various contact information that you may have. You can select here which information is going to show up, and then click the Update Now button. And this is a short info page about the calendar. The calendar is actually in another area of the website related to schedule management. However, it does appear as part of the personal web pages, so we've included this information tab here. But this is going to be covered in the staff management tutorial. So if you have questions about the calendar, please head over to that video, which is going to go over that in detail. And lastly, the wall. This is where you can see this is the database of all the comments people have made, and you can choose to accept or reject these comments for display on your wall. The last tab over here is called the sign up page. And what you can do here if you want is you can check this box, and what that's going to do is it's going to effectively turn your entire landing page from a store landing page or personal web page with different store access buttons to a sign up page. And you do then a short description here, and then you can check these if you want and click update to confirm. And then, like in short, what all this is going to do is that people are going to come here and then they're going to have the option to give you their information. So this would be a great thing to do if you have a store and it's not quite ready for prime time, but you'd like to build a list of customers. Then you can have a sign-up page running in the interim where people can become part of your collection of interested customers via visiting your sign-up page.